In today's video, I will teach you how to create a denim backdrop in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a realistic denim backdrop in GIMP involves several steps to add texture, seams, and stitching to give your design a polished look. Follow these steps to achieve the denim effect. First, open GIMP and create a new document with the dimensions of 760 by 700 pixels. Then fill the background layer with the blue color of your choice to represent the denim fabric. With the blue background layer selected, go to Filters, Noise, then choose RGB Noise. Then use the default settings to add subtle noise texture to your layer. Then add a new transparent layer above your background layer. Then fill this layer with a scanline pattern of your choice. With your background layer selected, go to Filters, Map, then Bump Map. In the Bump Map dialog, select the scanline layer as the bump map source. Then turn off the visibility of the scanline layer. Then adjust the settings until you achieve a realistic texture. If desired, you can add more noise to the background layer using the same steps for additional texture. Now, add a new transparent layer and fill it with black. Then make a selection along the edge for a seam and fill it with white. Then blur the interface between the black and white areas by going to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. With your background layer selected, go to Filters, Map, then Bump Map. Then add a new transparent layer and use a small soft brush to paint some wrinkles. Use the wrinkle layer to bump map the denim layer similar to the previous step. Then add a new transparent layer for the stitching. Use the Path tool to create a path where you want the stitching. Then change the foreground color to gold and go to Edit, then Stroke Path. In the Stroke Path dialog, choose a dashed line pattern to create the look of stitches. Then use the wrinkle layer as the bump map source for the thread layer to give it some texture. Optionally, you can use the displacement filter on the thread layer for additional realism. And to customize your design, you can experiment with additional effects like adding folds, more intricate stitching patterns, pockets, snaps, or rivets. And you can also use different brush techniques and paths to refine the look and achieve the desired level of detail. By following these steps and experiment with various settings, you can create a realistic denim backdrop in GIMP that can be used for a variety of design projects. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.